my cat Dennis, and this is some shards of glass. They're actually plastic, and he can actually fit through there. So I want to see what he does under here. So I'm gonna just quickly put him down there. He kind of likes it down there, and just doesn't want to go right now. Hold on. There you go, kitty. Hold on, just grab. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, you see him there, right? I'm gonna take this and put it over this. Don't worry, if he needs to escape, then he can't escape. This isn't like being glued on. So I'm gonna put this down here, and you are going to see what he does down here. Now first, we'll just do this. Just get it away. It's very slow. Maybe it's just because it's in the morning time. So and last clear glass, that plastic, and put on. Alright, now I'm gonna see what my dog does. I think it's a better idea to put the camera here. Dennis. He's kind of intelligent, so. So yeah, that was him. So he's a pretty stupid cat, but he's just fun also. Oh my god. There he is. Oh, I love what that does. You can escape if you want to. He's gonna film it. And there he goes. Escape. And that's the end of it.